Hello everyone, this is my review of the Albanese world's best gummy watermelon rings. The first thing you notice is how eye-catching the shapes and colors are. They look fun and inviting right away, but it's the taste that really wins you over. The watermelon flavor is sweet, juicy, and refreshing, with just the right balance of fruitiness. It doesn't taste artificial, so every bite feels satisfying and flavorful. The texture is perfect for gummy candy lovers. These rings are soft and chewy without being too sticky or hard on your teeth. They have a nice bounce that makes snacking enjoyable. Whether you're relaxing on the couch, watching a movie, or spending time with friends. Another perk is that these gummies are gluten-free and fat-free, which makes them feel like an easy treat for a wide range of people. Overall, these watermelon gummy rings have delivered tasty flavor, great texture, and plenty of candy to share. If you're into fruity gummies that are soft, chewy, and sweet, this pack has worked really well for me. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.